Yeah. Welcome to the Financial Bros YouTube channel. It's your boy Deuce.
Tony G in the building.
Tony G in the building. What's good, Tony G?
What's good? Another day, another dollar.
Long time no see. Long time since me and Tony did the Financial Bros podcast. Tony been dropping gems lately, you know what I'm saying? Solo dolo videos. So we back at it. You know, before we get started, Insured Brand, official brand on the Financial Bros. We got a lot of products out there now. We got the Insured Brand slides. Go on the website, go cop. Support the movement, support a black business. Here they go. I got the red Insured Brand slides. They fire. Support the movement. So this video right here, I reached out to Tony. And I was like, man, what do you think about Chinese stocks? You know what I'm saying? Because right now, Chinese stocks is on a low. You know what I'm saying? Everything's going low. I even cop some Neo. You know what I'm saying? Alibaba going down. A whole lot of them Chinese stocks going down because all the regulations and stuff going on Chinese stocks. So I figured let's hit Tony up and see what he think about it. What's good,
Yeah,
man?
they got some. Actually, though, I was just looking. I guess this past week, Chinese stocks did really good. They got their own. They got their own stock market too, and they kind of opening up for like more smaller companies, and it made the Chinese stocks over here go up. Cause like they got their own stock market, but they're still trying to get this American investors. But,
Right.
Yeah. But for me, I don't like the Chinese stocks, especially with everything going on in the world and the politics. It just feel
Right.
like one day you could just wake up, and the Chinese stocks we be beefing with the China, and they just take all the stocks off the market, and I'm shook.
Yeah, they say I guess with the I don't know the president, but they try to make a lot of. I don't know, man. It just seems like, man, especially Alibaba, man. I deal with Alibaba. They got, you know what I'm saying. I've been dealing with Alibaba for years, and if you can get it, you can get in now at like 170. That's just normally like a $300-400 stock. You know what I'm saying? Like they said,
My thing
the
with the
Chinese
Chinese stocks.
Amazon, huh?
Yeah, and that's the thing. You know how I feel. Like my thing is with the Chinese stocks, it's always compared to something else. Like Alibaba, that's the Chinese Amazon. Neo, that's the Chinese Tesla. But it's just like why not just get we American? Why not get the American Tesla? Why not get the American Amazon? I mean, it's all you put the same amount of bread invested at the end of the day with the fractional
Right.
shares and everything else. I just be too nervous. And then you got some of the regulations with the Chinese stocks. They ain't got any foreign stock. They don't got the same regulations. So some of them companies they be lying about their earnings because they don't have to do like the earnings like the American stocks do. A lot of them it's called cooking the books. They be cooking the books on the earnings. It was actually the one time I did invest in a Chinese company. It was called Lunkin Coffee. They was like the Chinese Starbucks.
Yeah, I remember
They was
that.
cooking the books. Yeah, they was putting fake numbers on their earnings because the earnings ain't legit like it is with the American companies, and then they are off the market now, but they still like in Chinese markets. But
Yeah,
yeah, I learned my lesson.
it's made. I think it's the Chinese government. They just trying to regulate a whole lot of stuff. Like it ain't really no beef with the USA. It's just the Chinese government trying to do a whole lot of regulations. And somebody was talking about like, you know, saying you invest in the Chinese stocks, you might be good, and one day your money gone. And this is it. Like you don't got
Right,
no insurance and no nothing. Like once it's a rat, it's a rat.
right, man. That happened to me with the stock. I ain't had that many shares of it, but it was like I woke up and they were talking about they was gonna be delisted, and I tried to sell the shares I had, and I couldn't sell them. And then they wound up sticking around on the market for a little bit, but yeah, they off the Nasdaq and all of that. So
See,
I'm good.
I bought my son some Neo. I basically bought some Neo at like 37. But if it go up, I'm gonna sell that joint though. Basically bought it as like you know what I'm saying, a swing trade. You know what I'm saying? A couple of not serious, but you know, we so Tony say think no, I think maybe, but I see where Tony coming from with it. Like you don't want to take no chances, but is the price looking good though?
I'll be too shook. You don't know
And
what be going
it is
on with
another one. I don't know. I don't know if is the streaming service or gaming service. Out of China, I think it's
yeah,
called
I can
10 cent. 10
10 cent.
cent.
Yeah,
What
I
is
don't
that? What
really
is
know
that?
too much about it,
Let me
but
see.
that's like one of the big like gaming companies over there. You know, they
What else
make
it
all the
is?
games. 10 cent. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that 10 cent.
And just for me, like I said, like the American companies here, no disrespect to China, but I can look up a company CEO. I can find the exact earnings from all of history. I ain't got no questions about the earnings for any of these American companies. So it's just like it's so many American companies. I'm just like,
here you go. 10-cent online gaming business will retain the dominant position. Let me see what defines 10-cent. Yeah. So we gonna see, man. We gonna see what's going on down the line. You know, say is it risk? Is the risk you willing to take? You know what I'm saying? You wake up one day and you don't got no money, or down the line, them drinks gonna recover. And I think they're gonna recover.
Right. I mean, I think they're good. I think they're cool investment, but it just with everything going on with China, I'm too nervous.
Yeah, with everything going on, you can find a better investment with your money.
Right.
All right. Yeah. So like we about to wrap this thing up. You know, we about to start dropping more jewels. You know what I'm saying? Tony, you know what I'm saying? He low key one of the best dudes out here, you know what I'm saying? When we're giving out advice. So y'all, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all follow us on Instagram. Tony gonna be keep on dropping y'all videos on the YouTube now on the regular. And we're gonna me and Tony we're gonna do our little, you know, our little talk podcast, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? Talking about different stuff that's in the market. You know what I'm saying? So we about to wrap this thing up. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.